Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Muslika from Class 1D Accounting, Muria Kudus University. Here, I will make a presentation on the journal article review regarding factor affecting the rupiah exchange rate over the United States dollar in Indonesia. Irwandi Regina, Mezul Rahmizal, Makassar State University, Makassar, Padang State University, Padang. Unstable change in inflation can make many people feel less prosperous. In addition, productive investment decreases, export decrease, import increase, which slow down economic improvement for the better. Inflation is an important aspect of macroeconomics as a country's inflation rate reflects its economic development. When an economic shift occurs in one country in a short period of time, it can have an impact on the economies of other countries, especially those with close economic links or economic partners. This event economic activity is usually seen change in currency exchange rate. The value of a country's currency also plays an important role in the economy. If a country's currency remains stable, it shows that its economy is relatively good. The link between exchange rates and inflation is not uncommon. When the domestic currency appreciates, import becomes cheaper. This has a positive impact on the real sector as people desire to buy increases. Business activity is good because people demand increases along with their desire to buy. However, the situation is different if there is a decline in the domestic currency against foreign currencies. If not taken seriously, this can be a serious problem for the economy. In economics, there are four factors that affect a country's exchange rate. The factors are interest rates, inflation rate, money supply, and balance of payments. From the concept description above, it is important to observe what factors affect the exchange rate of the rupiah against the US dollar in Indonesia. The results of this study are expected to provide a deeper insight to the aspects that affect the exchange rate will have a broad impact on the economic growth. Method. This study analyzed using quantitative methods. Research material were obtained on the Central Bureau of Statistics and Bank Indonesia website. The variables tested in this analysis are exchange rate, interest rates, inflation, and money supply in Indonesia starting from 2013, 2022, and processed using Microsoft Excel and SPSS application, various relevant sources and reference, such a book, journal, or other documents. To obtain information and data, use as a reference in the results. Research and discussion. Number 1. Normality test. Normality test is a test carried out with the aim of assessing the distribution of data in a group of data or variables, whether the distribution of the data is normally distributed or not. Number 2. Autocorrelation test. The Durbin-Watson value listed in Table 2 of the SPSS output above is 1.494 and the critical value at alpha equal 5%, where k equal 3 number of independent variables and n equal 10 sample. Number 3. Multilinear regression. In this section, statistical results are present regarding the effect of interest rates, inflation, and money supply simultaneously on exchange rates, with the result of research that has been processed by computer through the SPSS program with multiple linear regression analysis partially and simultaneously. Number 4. Goodness of fit R2. Based on table 2 above display, the adjusted R-square value of 0.834. This means the change in the dependent variable are influenced by the independent variable by 83.4%, while the remaining 16.7% is influenced by other variables outside the model. 5. F-test. In the F-test, we need to know if F count greater F table means that the independent variable jointly affect the dependent variable. T-test. In the T-test, we need to know that if T count greater T table means that the independent variable has a positive effect on the dependent variable, and vice versa. If T count plus T table means that the independent variable has no effect on the dependent variable. Then there are three parts of the discussion, that is interest rate and exchange rate, inflation and exchange rate, money supply and exchange rate. Conclusion. The purpose of the study is to analyze the factor affecting the IDR exchange rate over the USD in Indonesia. From the result of the analysis and test carried out, it can be concluded that the factors that have an impact on the increase or decrease in the IDR exchange rate on the USD for the period 2013-2022 are due to several factors, namely interest rate and money supply. For inflation itself has no effect because testing only uses data with a short-term time series. But if the long term, then theoretically inflation can affect the rupiah exchange rate against the United States dollar in Indonesia.